How to work into the back loop of a crochet chain. First, I'm going to rotate my chain so that the back loops are facing me. Then I'm going to skip the first loop and work into the second loop by inserting my hook from the bottom up. I'm rotating my hook using my wrist so that the yarn glides through easily without getting stuck on any of the loops. This is my favorite method, but I don't always use it because it's not always practical, but it is absolutely the prettiest. So here I've got a couple rows of single crochet, and if you look at the bottom, you have a very pretty V edge that looks just like the top of a chain. And then if you look at the top of the crochet stitches, you'll also have a very pretty V edge that also looks like the top of the chain. But now let's compare the three. So here we have what it looks like when you work into the back loop. And then here's what it looks like when you work into the bottom loop with the back loop facing up. And then finally, the most conventional one when you work into the top loop. Let me know which one's your favorite.